I picked up a couple new projects down at my local Goodwill. This is a MCS model. What is that? 3563 cassette deck. Nice silver face model from 1980. No VU meters, but it has this digital display. And that was $20. So when I got it here, the only issue that it has seems to work, except for it won't play very long. It'll just play for a few seconds, maybe a minute, and then it automatically shuts off. So I'm hoping that's just some switches up here that sense movement or sense that there's something in it. A cassette in there. I'll take that apart and clean all the switches first. Maybe look at the belts. See, maybe might need belts. Now another thing I picked up too. I'm not going to do a video on it because it's fine. It just needs a belt, and that's a Sanyo TP1005 turntable, and that works fine. I just lubricated it up a little bit, and when I went to clean the belt just kind of broke in half here a couple times. So I ordered a new belt, and that one will be ready to go. But this one may need a little bit of work. I took the top off of the cassette deck here. MCS one? Yeah. Looks like a nice system. An early one. They have pretty good drives back then. But what's happening is, the reason this is stopping is there's a little wheel right here. It's like a little Hall effect sensor or something. There's a little wheel that turns when tape moves, and then it's got a little sensor in that little box that sits in. And what happens is this is supposed to turn when tape is moving, and then at the end of tape that stops, of course, and tells the system to stop trying to move tape. So if I hit play, you'll see that's not turning. So it's automatically telling the tape to stop moving. Now if I get it to turn here, I think it's just a little sticky. It turned just a little bit, then stopped. So it may be the belts. I tried using a little electronics lube on the pulleys and stuff, and that seemed to help for a while. So maybe the belts have lubricant on it and need cleaning, or maybe those belts are just too loose and not providing enough torque on this to keep it going. But that's the problem. That's why the tape is turning off. So I'll take a look at that and see what we can do to fix it. Maybe replace some of those belts. I may have some laying around that'll work. Okay, got a couple extra or new belts installed. Here's the old ones. I just had some pack of new belts laying around, found some that were the right size and popped them in there. Now this is playing just fine. It's fast forwarding, rewinding, and playing without doing the automatic stop thing. So I think that's problem solved. I'll go ahead and put everything back together, and I think this one will be fixed. We'll give it a sound test, see how it sounds. Well, there we go. All put back together, cleaned up, and running fine. So this is again the model 3563 MCS silver face cassette deck from about 1980, I think. All fixed up and working again. There's a pot that I should have cleaned. It's a little dirty, but that's easy. So there we go. That'll be the end of this one, and Not sure what I'm doing with it, but I'll find some place for it. So thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.